So I'm super excited to test this thing, and I didn't know what would be better than this thing trying to follow me on my mower. It looks like a kid's toy, and I'm no drone specialist, but I really want to see what this thing can do. So you guys are going to see it with me. And also I want to show you guys on my mower how it was mowing now. I've tried a few different deck things, and I'm not going to tell all that yet, but I'm going to mow with it today, and you guys can see kind of how it does. I'm gonna go around through here, make a pass, have it follow me all around the house, and then I'm gonna go up and down this hill. Hopefully you guys can finally see the grade in this to see how it is. The yard's kind of burnt right now because I put a bunch of weed killer on it, and it burnt a lot of it because I had a bunch of Bermuda breaking out. I was trying to burn it out, but as you can see here, that stuff's almost unkillable. But then we're gonna go into the field. We're gonna go a few other places and mow a bunch of different types of grass, and you're just gonna get to see it mowing all those scenarios and kind of give you an idea of how it does in all of them. This is a drone beginning to follow me. I had no clue what it was going to do, and it's a basically maiden voyage to testing this thing. So you guys are getting to see it. You'll see me looking for it multiple times and trying to figure out things as I go. You're going to see me look for this drone several times because I have no clue if it's following me or what it's doing. It's a learning curve for me, but I mean, it's pretty wild how well it follows. I trimmed a bunch of my landscape here, and it's all out in the yard, so I'm basically just trying to go through and mulch all that up. I didn't know if it could see out the side of the video when I was doing it. I ended up moving the drone further back so you can see the discharge in the field coming up. I'm going to go across my yard here and just see how it keeps up in the dips and valleys, and around through here a couple of times. And then I go on the field and cut some really thick grass, and you guys can see the discharge of that really well. You can also see in a minute that I look down at the phone screen to check it. That's what I keep checking. But I didn't realize that I could completely throw the app away or whatever, and it would just keep on following me, because once it finds the subject, it'll follow it until it dies and then go back home. So I didn't even have to have my phone, but I wanted to shift the position on it, and you can shift it around you. But I knocked the app off at one time, and then I get nervous and I go back to it. But it worked and kept on going. This drone has so many features and things that I'll probably not use, but I really wanted something that could follow me and it was kind of easy to take with me everywhere. For the price of this, I really didn't think it would do the footage that it does. And like I said, this is the first time of me really messing with it at all. So I'm pretty impressed so far with how this thing records. And you can go 4K, 120 FPS. You can do 4K 60, 4K 30, 4K 20. So many different things. It's really nice. About to hit some thick field grass. Now I bush hogged this other day and I wanted to see with a tree line and things like that, because there's several spots I have to go around fence posts and a lot of other stuff, but I wanted to see how this would follow me. Here I'm looking at the app again because like I said, I'm still not certain on the app. I've got to have it open, all the adjustments, things like that, and so I keep watching it. And also when you're flying, you can put it wherever you want it. If you want to sit in the front, back, side, or to pan view, down low, high. There's so many adjustments on it. So I put it in the front in several different places. But if you've got it in front of you, one of its sensors isn't on the back, so it's not going to be as good at tracking as it would in the rear, and it's probably not as safe, but I wanted to try it and see, and you'll see how it does. This field grass is super thick and it's absolutely just cutting flat, leaving a smooth path. I'm cutting it 4 inches in this, and I mean, some of this stuff's foot and a half, 2 foot. I enter some up here in a minute that's extremely tall, as you'll see. This is probably one of the coolest things, is I can use my video on my iPhone at the same time as the drone footage. So it gives me 2 cameras at once and they don't mess with each other. Not having to use your phone with the drone is really handy. Here's where it gets really cool. You hold your hand out and the drone comes back to your hand. I'm looking at it on my phone because I still didn't know where it was at that point, and I got up and seen it, and just hold my hand out and it comes to my hand.
Returning to palm. Returning to palm. Landing.
Here you're going to see me try to outrun the drone and really give it a run for its money. I'm out in the open, so I don't really have a chance, but it's kind of neat to see how fast the mower goes and also the drone staying right there with it. I put the drone in the fence to see what it would do and see how it could video, because this is kind of cool to see that it can track and keep away from the fence post. If it does, I don't know if it does or not, but we'll know now. Watching it dodge the trees and the fence posts on here after the fact is pretty wild how well it does. I mean, it's at times you can see it go up in the trees, go through the fence, and then come back around. I mean, there it just jumped through the fence and come at me again, and it's getting, I mean, within inches of some of these fence posts to keep it shot. And I'm not going slow at all. So, I mean, I don't know how much smoother it could get on tracking. If you guys are looking for a drone to track you, I truly think this is a win. And for the money, I don't think you're going to beat it. You can throw this in your backpack, pocket, or anywhere, and it comes as is. You don't have to have a phone to do any of the recording. It has a screen made on it, so you can literally see straight from it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Thanks and God bless. It was also able to track me on my tractor as well. Thought I'd show you guys that. That way. So my son here is going to try to take off and see how it follows his four-wheeler. I'm not using the phone with it, so he's going to use his hand motions, as you'll see in this video. But it's pretty cool to watch it follow him on the four-wheeler. And his four-wheeler will run about 20 miles per hour, has zero issues keeping up with him. Here I wanted to see if it would lose tracking if I come into focus with it. And so I'll pull up on him and we try to take off different directions, and we're gonna see who it follows to see if it stays with the original subject.